World Environment Day, and I would like to take the opportunity to talk about how using digital technology in operation can benefit our environment. I will share what we are doing in our factory in Frosinone, Italy. We have here all the key elements for a lighthouse factory. A lighthouse is a manufacturing plant chosen by the Italian government as a beacon of the future. It's a factory where we use Industry 4.0 technology to do more with agility, to do it faster, and to do it with less resources. We are taking an evolutionary leap in productivity using new digital twin technology. By digital twin, we mean a virtual mirror of physical operations. It allows us and our suppliers and partners to see everything that's happening in our processes, equipment, and technology in real time. We have connected the smart devices and sensors on our factory equipments and processes. These smart devices continuously collect and feed information into our cloud-enabled digital twin platforms. Millions of data are processed and analyzed to optimize the entire connected network of automated processes. Integrated with the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning allow to build predictive outcome models. The factory produces around 4 million circuit breakers a year for industrial processes, buildings, infrastructures, and utilities. And we can monitor that production from the planning to order execution, quality, maintenance, and logistic processes. We can monitor how much energy we are using in our own factories, and we can track production and quality as well at our supplier side, no matter where they are in the world. We can make immediate correction to ensure quality and to prevent both time and raw material from being wasted. We also use the digital twin to connect to our material supermarkets. They are synchronized with our production. It allows to keep our stock continuously replenished with exactly the right amount of material at any given time. So we never have to stop production to wait for materials. As a result, our delivery time is shorter, waste is down, and energy efficiency is up, which reduces our emissions, because the cleanest kilowatt is the one that's never used. On World Environment Day, I'm really pleased to be able to look forward to the way this new technology is going to help us reducing the impact on the environment, meet our sustainability goals, and partner with our customers around the world to build a safe, smart, and sustainable future.